Hi there Excel users. Today what I'm going to show you is how to create a highlighted bar chart with a drop down. So here we have a bar chart, and above the bar chart we have a drop down. So drop down consists of the categories relating to the x-axis of the chart. So if, for example, if I chose clothes, then the axis for the clothes bar gets automatically highlighted. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this. We're using Excel charts and a simple drop down validation list, and without using Excel VBA. So the steps are, we have a small data set here, category, and you've got total revenue, which is sorted in ascending order. So what we do first is we create two stack formula columns. The first stack column, we call that stack 1, and what that does is refers to this cell here, H5 here. H5 has been created using the drop down. To create the drop down, what you do is go into data for the cell, click on data validation, then click on data validation again, and then you choose from in the settings tab, you choose the allow, in the allow drop down you choose list, and then for resources you click on this little box here, and then you select the list that you want the drop down to consist of. Okay, so if you look at the first stack 1 formula column, what it's saying is if A4, which is this cell here, household, is equal to H5, which is an absolute reference to H5, which is the drop down selection made by the user, then what we want to do is we want to show the value of the total revenue here. So in this case, because if it's not been chosen, then we want to show the NA value, which is the an error value of not applicable. The reason why we do that is Excel does not know how to plot error values, so it leaves those alone, and we can take that and use that to our advantage. So for example, if I chose meat, then you'll see the meat bar has been highlighted, and now the household stack 1 formula is now showing error values not applicable, which is the NA value, and against the meat category we are now showing the value of total revenue, which is correct, and that in the chart is translated in a green bar for the meat column, and all the other columns are the same color except the meat column. So that's working perfectly. The next step 2, is to say then if there is a error value in cell C4, so if it is error C4 equals true, then we want to show B4. So we want basically create the series relating to the other stack chart. So we want this is the purple values, so we want them to be 4. But if it's not true, then we want to show not applicable, and that not applicable here, if I look at cell D7, if is error C7, no, that's not true, so it leaves a B7 reference and then puts not applicable, so that will form the second stack formula column. So what we do for step 3, which we've created the drop down validation list, for step 4, we actually, once all the data is set and the drop down is set, we then create the stack bar chart. So here on the stack bar chart, we go to design, you insert a bar chart. In this case, for column, you choose a stack bar chart, this one here, stack column, and then if you right click and you select data, we need to add 2 series, stack 1 and stack 2. Stack 1, the series name, you can just put that as stack 1, and then for the values, that will be the values in the formula values under stack 1 column, and then click on OK, and the x-axis will be the category values for the x-axis. And then a similar way, once you've done that, you add another series, a stack series, this is stack 2, so I'm just showing you what it consists of. You click on edit, So again, it's referring to stack 2 label, and then the series values will be the second stack 2 column values. And click on it and click on OK. And again, you can use the same axes for stack 2 as well, and then click on OK. So that's it, that's done. So now it's you now have a stacked bar chart, which it doesn't look as if it's a stacked bar chart, but behind the scenes it is a stacked bar chart. And whenever you choose a different category from the drop down, it automatically highlights that category from the drop down. Thank you for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like it, and also you can subscribe to my Excel Power Tips channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.